Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add a GIF into your Figma project. By the time we're done, you'll know the quick and easy way to bring those fun animated touches to your designs, whether you're mocking up a website, a mobile app, or just want to impress your team with some moving visuals. Let's get started. First things first, open up Figma. You can do this right in your web browser or using the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Just make sure you're logged in and have your Figma file open. It could be a brand new design or an existing project. The process is the same either way. Now let's add a rectangular shape. You'll want to go over to the Shape tools, usually on the top bar or on the left where your tools are stacked. Click on the rectangle icon. Then simply click and drag on your canvas to draw out a rectangle. This is going to act as the placeholder for your GIF. Don't worry too much about the exact size or placement right now. You can always adjust it later to fit the flow of your design. Once you've got your rectangle set up, let's make it ready to accept our GIF. Click on the rectangle to select it and then look over in the right side panel where you see the fill options. This panel lets you change the color, add gradients, or what we're going to do, add an image. Click on the colored square or the word fill to open up that menu. From there you'll see a drop-down labeled solid, linear, or something similar. Click on that and select image. This tells Figma that instead of just a plain color, we want to fill this shape with an actual image file. When you choose image, a little button will pop up giving you the option to choose image or upload. Go ahead and click upload from computer. This will let you browse your files, just like you would if you were attaching a file to an email. Navigate to the GIF you want to insert. It could be an animation you've downloaded, or maybe it's a custom GIF you made in Photoshop or an online tool. Select it and then click open. Figma will load your GIF right into that rectangle shape you drew earlier. If it takes a few seconds, don't worry, that's just Figma importing your image and processing the animation. The fun part is that, while you're working inside Figma, your GIF will actually animate in the prototype view. It's an awesome way to get a sense for how interactive elements might feel in your final product. If you're not seeing the animation right away in the design view, just switch to prototype or hit the play button at the top right corner. And that's it, you've just added a GIF to your Figma project. You can resize the rectangle or move it anywhere you need. If the GIF doesn't quite fit, you can use the Fill, Fit, or Crop options in the Fill panel to adjust how your animation displays, just like you would with a normal image. If you ever decide you want to swap out the GIF, just repeat the same process by updating the Fill image. It really is that simple. I hope this helped you add some life and motion to your Figma designs. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any problems, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you and I'll do my best to help. And if you want more quick Figma tips and design tutorials, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.